Hormonal balance plays a crucial role in maintaining overall well-being, particularly for adults between the ages of 35 and 60. As we age, our hormone levels naturally fluctuate, which can significantly impact mood, sleep quality, and general health. Recognizing the signs of hormone imbalance is important because even subtle changes can lead to fatigue, irritability, or disrupted sleep patterns. By understanding how hormones influence the body, individuals can take proactive steps to support their physical and emotional health during these pivotal years. Unexplained fatigue is more than just feeling tired after a long day. When exhaustion persists despite adequate rest, it may indicate an underlying hormonal imbalance. Hormones play a crucial role in regulating energy levels, and disruptions can leave you feeling drained and unmotivated. This ongoing tiredness can interfere with concentration, productivity, and overall quality of life. Recognizing these signs is important for identifying potential health concerns early. Fluctuating hormone levels can have a significant impact on mood and emotional well-being. These changes often lead to mood swings, causing individuals to feel happy one moment and irritable or anxious the next. Such emotional ups and downs are a common experience, especially during periods of hormonal shifts like puberty, menstruation, or menopause. Increased irritability and anxiety can also accompany these changes, making it important to recognize that these feelings are often a natural response to hormonal fluctuations. Hormonal imbalances can significantly disrupt sleep patterns, making it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep throughout the night. When hormones such as cortisol, estrogen, or thyroid hormones are out of balance, the body's natural sleep-wake cycle can be thrown off. This often leads to restless nights and frequent awakenings. As a result, individuals may experience persistent fatigue and decreased energy levels during the day, which can affect overall well-being and daily functioning. Unexplained changes in weight, particularly sudden gain or loss around the midsection, can often be linked to hormonal imbalances. Hormones such as cortisol, insulin, and thyroid hormones play a crucial role in regulating metabolism and fat distribution. When these hormones are disrupted, the body may store excess fat or struggle to maintain a healthy weight. For example, elevated cortisol levels due to chronic stress can lead to increased abdominal fat, while thyroid disorders may cause rapid weight fluctuations. Understanding these connections can help identify underlying health issues and guide appropriate treatment. Hormonal changes can significantly impact the condition of skin, hair, and nails. During periods of hormonal fluctuation, such as menopause or pregnancy, individuals may notice their skin becoming drier and less elastic. Hair may begin to thin or shed more easily, while nails can become brittle and prone to breaking. These changes are often linked to shifts in hormone levels, which affect the body's ability to retain moisture and maintain healthy growth. Understanding these effects can help in managing and adapting to the visible signs of hormonal transitions. A decrease in libido is a common effect of hormonal imbalance. When hormone levels shift, it can lead to a reduced interest in intimacy, which may be confusing or distressing for those affected. This change often impacts both individuals and their partners, sometimes leading to misunderstandings or tension within relationships. Recognizing that low libido can have a biological cause is an important step toward finding solutions and maintaining healthy connections. Hormones play a significant role in regulating the digestive system. Fluctuations in hormone levels can affect how quickly or slowly food moves through the gut, often leading to symptoms like bloating or constipation. For example, changes in estrogen and progesterone can alter muscle contractions in the intestines, impacting digestion. These hormonal shifts may also influence the balance of gut bacteria, further contributing to discomfort or irregularity. Understanding this connection can help explain why digestive issues often coincide with hormonal changes. Hormone imbalances are a common experience for many people, and they can often be managed effectively with the right approach. Consulting a healthcare professional is important for accurate diagnosis and guidance. Simple, natural lifestyle changes, such as balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and stress management, can play a significant role in supporting hormonal health. With proper support and informed choices, maintaining hormonal balance is achievable for most individuals. Gut health plays a crucial role in maintaining overall well-being, influencing everything from energy levels to immune response. As we age, especially after 40, the balance of bacteria in our digestive system can shift, making it even more important to pay attention to gut health. A well-functioning gut not only aids in digestion, but also supports the body's natural defenses against illness. Understanding this connection helps us appreciate why nurturing the digestive system is essential for long-term health and vitality. The gut and the immune system are closely linked, working together to protect our bodies from illness. Inside the gut, trillions of tiny organisms, known as the microbiome, help train and support our immune defenses. These helpful microbes teach immune cells how to recognize and respond to harmful invaders. As we age, the balance of these gut bacteria can shift, sometimes weakening our immune response. Understanding this connection highlights why gut health is so important for overall well-being. Supporting gut health and enhancing immune function can be achieved through simple, everyday choices. Incorporating a variety of fiber-rich foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables helps nourish beneficial gut bacteria. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut are also valuable additions to your diet. Staying physically active, managing stress, and getting enough sleep further contribute to a resilient immune system. These practical habits are easy to adopt and fit well into the lifestyles of adults living in the US, Canada, and Europe. Many people believe that taking probiotics alone can instantly boost their immune system, but gut health is influenced by a combination of factors, including diet, lifestyle, and genetics. Another common misconception is that all bacteria are harmful, when in fact, beneficial gut microbes play a crucial role in maintaining overall health. Frequently asked questions often revolve around whether certain foods or supplements can guarantee immunity. However, no single product offers complete protection. Understanding the complex relationship between the gut and the immune system empowers individuals to make choices that support long-term well-being. In summary, maintaining a healthy gut and a strong immune system begins with small, consistent choices. Simple steps like eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and managing stress can make a significant difference over time. Remember, even minor adjustments to your daily routine can lead to lasting improvements in your overall well-being. Take the first step today, and your body will thank you for it in the long run. The human body possesses a remarkable natural ability to heal and restore itself. This intrinsic process works continuously to maintain balance and address everyday wear and tear. Supporting the body's healing mechanisms is essential for overall wellness, particularly for adults who want to experience more energy, improved digestion, and reduced stress. By nurturing these natural processes, individuals can enhance their vitality and resilience, leading to a greater sense of well-being. Prioritizing the body's innate healing capacity lays the foundation for a healthier and more vibrant life. Incorporating gentle daily habits can make a significant difference in your energy levels. Simple practices like mindful movement, such as stretching or a short walk, help invigorate the body without overwhelming your schedule. Staying hydrated throughout the day supports mental clarity and physical well-being. Choosing balanced nutrition with a focus on whole foods provides sustained energy rather than quick spikes and crashes. These small, manageable changes can easily fit into even the busiest routines, supporting a more vibrant and energized life. Improving digestion can be simple with a few mindful strategies. Start by eating slowly and paying attention to your meals, which helps your body better process food. Including fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains supports healthy gut function and regularity. Additionally, managing meal timing, such as eating at consistent intervals and avoiding late-night meals, can further enhance digestive health. These small changes can make a significant difference in how you feel each day. Calming techniques like deep breathing exercises can help slow your heart rate and promote relaxation, making it easier to manage stress. Gentle stretching releases muscle tension and encourages a sense of physical ease. Establishing restful routines, such as winding down before bed or setting aside quiet moments during the day, supports a balanced mind and body. These simple practices not only reduce immediate feelings of stress, but also contribute to long-term emotional and physical well-being. Embracing these simple practices can make a meaningful difference in your well-being. By taking small, consistent steps each day, you support your body's natural ability to heal and thrive. Remember, lasting change often begins with manageable actions that build over time. With patience and persistence, these habits can lead to a healthier, more vibrant life.